Hi guys, welcome back to Random Crafts. My name is Anirudhan Kamath and today I am going to show you guys two easy science experiments part 3. Move on to the first experiment. Atmosphere exerts pressure part 2. You will need 1 glass of water and one small plate like this. Take your glass and cover your glass with this plate. The plate can be bigger than the glass or of the same size. Then flip your glass. Check that there is no leaking. Now wait for some time and leave your hands. And you can see that the plate has stuck over there. The plate has really not stuck over there. The atmosphere is putting pressure on this plate, causing the plate to not fall down. Hence the water is not leaking. If you shake a little, it will not come down. But if you take this, it will fall down. Let's move on to experiment number 2. Number 2 is fire on the surface of water. For this, you will need 1 bowl of water, then nail polish and matchsticks. This idea was given by Sharon, so thanks to Sharon for giving this idea. Should take your nail polish, open it, and pour some over your water. Now take your matchsticks and light them. Then put it on your nail polish. Now you can see that the nail polish starts burning on the surface of water. This idea was given by Sharon. Now you can see it finished burning. All the alcohol in the nail polish has burnt off, and now all the remains is still staying on the water. Look at this. It was all over the water. That was experiment number 2. That was all the 2 experiments. Thanks for watching. It's gonna wrap up this video. Special thanks to Sharon for giving this idea for the second experiment. So thanks for watching. My name is Anirudhan Kamath. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and I'll see you guys in the next video.